Oh yeah. Take a look at that. We got the almighty. Ooh-wee. Getting hungry or what? Yeah, this is like at the carnival, man. Right? Target shooting. This is chicken at the pit.
Okay,
line them up.
Okay, chickies, line up.
Man. What's up, Harvey?
Hey, how we doing today?
All right, man. Here's the chicken machine, man. Check this out. Nice rig.
Set that one off the side, dude. You don't need that.
Do you have a name? Do you have a name for this wonderful piece of machinery?
Oh, no.
Martha.
Martha? Yeah.
Martha. You guys hold the thing.
Martha comes back.
They have a new company now.
Look at this.
Up in Newington, Connecticut, called the Rockin' Chicken. You see that? It's been advertised. They do chicken on rotisserie spits. The Rockin' Chicken.
Oh, good.
I never heard of it until the other day.
That's good.
All right. Fire has started. Now this is a custom-made box here, that's for sure. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Guy made that up for hauling lease spring.
Yeah, right. This chain you rig on here, you designed this?
Yeah. Yep.
Amazing.
Wow.
Yep. Whole thing is all out of the head.
Yeah.
Out of the head. Yep.
Awesome.
I had two gearbox for drive motors.
Yeah.
And the first one I put on there is a you plug it in, it goes one speed.
Yeah.
This one here is a variable speed. It goes slow, fast, forward, and reverse.
Which makes all the difference.
So
right?
I can go either way.
Yeah.
I can speed up, I can slow it down.
Yeah.
And then I bought the other one just for backup in case something happens.
Man, look at these spits.
Huh?
This is amazing. All custom made.
Oh yeah.
Right. We're gonna be able to. Looks like how many chickens we're gonna be able to put on here? I don't know.
I think he's what, 15?
10, 15. I'll tell you what, Martha's gonna be happy about this. Man, it looks like art. Something you'd find at a city park or something, you know? Like a monument. Can you imagine this? Like a park just dedicated for barbecue, right? You know, for out-of-towners when they come in to visit the city. Look at that.
You know how many fish you could put on it?
And that's what you call holy humor.
Look at that.
Securing the chickens
They don't fly away.
so they don't fly away. It's like a chicken car wash. All right, what do we start? We do some. We got a variety. We do the buffalo style, and then we.
Do this whole one with buffalo.
Black gold.
Ooh,
These are from our friends up in Europe, Angus and Oink. Really cool crew. This is one of their rubs and seasonings. Very unique. Like nothing I've ever tasted before. Wow.
Oh yeah. Take a look at that. Oh man, look at this. You come to the pit, to rotisserie some chickens. Oh yeah. We got Martha's on here, we got buffalo. We got some poultry powder. We got the almighty. Ooh-wee. Getting hungry or what?
Send them to their fate.
Look at that. The chicken machine is loaded. We're flapping away.
All right, rotate it out. Get it next to the heat over here. Even cooking. This is the first time the Harveys used this. The first time, the debut. He's got to do some big parties. He likes to cook for a lot of people, and he's trying this out here at the pit. Okay, let's put some juice on here. Chicken juice.
Yeah, this is like at the carnival, man. Right? Target shooting. Look at that. You get a little teddy bear, man, for every target you hit.
Rotate them around depending on where some of the heat zones are in the ground. What temp are you looking for on this?
At 175.
Right, 175. Yeah. Cook it pretty good.
Yep. Oh, look at that. Are you kidding me? Look at this.
Just like squirrel.
This is chicken at the pit.
Okay,
Line them up.
Okay, chickies, line up.
Hey. I think chicken is best, man, over hot coals like that. I mean, it has that, I don't know. You just can't do that in the house, you know? You can't do that fried. All right, let's get in here, man. Help yourself. Pit master. Congratulations, chef, man. Awesome, man. All right. Look at this. Look at this. Perfect. Perfect. Look at the way it separates. You just pull it apart, man. Oh, man, I'm going to have whoa. Man.
Crispy skin.
Yep. So this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you, and we're not apologizing. Oh, man. Holy moly, man. Melt in your mouth. It's that spit, 360, right? Defy gravity. The more shells know where to go but stay. There's no words for this.
Rotisserie chicken the way it's supposed to be.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.